Every office has that one employee who moves around to every desk and every department just to be seen as being busy. Meanwhile, being busy is not the same as being productive. You can be busy all day, but at the end of the week or at the end of the month, you may achieve almost nothing. Though the corporate culture sometimes reward people who are visible instead of those who produce actual results. A worker or an employee in an office can send emails, attend meetings, and participate in every activity of the organization. But at the end of the day, that one employee who always stay quiet in his desk achieves more greater value and more greater uh, goals for the organization as compared to that employee who is always moving around, being busy, and being destructive to other departments and other employees. For example, if you attend meetings, respond to emails, participate in other corporate and internal and external meetings for the organization, oh, of course, you are working for the organization, but there's this one employee who is always sitting in the office, preparing and working hard towards the attaining of the organizational goals. That one employee may be seen as less busy, but in actual fact, he's the one producing or come out with the actual result for the organization as compared to that employee who is always running around attending meetings externally and internally for the organization and responding to emails. So being busy is not the same as being productive. Thank you. Subscribe for more contents like this.